Hey, today we're gonna talk about Cantonese slang, and the theme I chose today is about wok. You know the Chinese cooking appliance that you go to a Chinese restaurant, you see people cooking with a big wok, stir fry stuff and throwing stuff in the air when they cook your food. That's the wok I'm talking about. But the character wok can mean an object or can mean a lot of other meaning, like adjectives, adverb. You will see some of them is pretty funny too. So first, Bao Daiwa. Bao Daiwa. What does it mean? It means to tell a big secret. If I say 我包你大鑊, just means I'm going to tell somebody else one of your biggest secret. 包你大鑊. So 包 means expose. 大鑊 in this case means big secret. All right. Or you say next is 大鑊. 大鑊 is an exclamation mark kind of phrase. You say, holy crap, holy smoke, or what a mess. You use 大鑊啦, 大鑊, right? What a mess. That's to express how surprised or how big of a mess you think you're in. Or the next one would be similar, but it has more emphasis. It's like 大撚鑊. 大撚鑊 means holy effing crap or holy effing smoke, right? So it is a more stressed version of 大鑊. Next, 補鑊. 補 what does it mean? 補鑊? It means repair or reconcile from a very bad situation. 補 means repair. What means bad situation in this case? See, the word what can mean a lot of stuff. So 補鑊 means repair from or dig yourself out of a bad situation or repair. If I get my girlfriend mad. I buy her some roses. Then what I'm doing is 補鑊, 我去補鑊. Right? Next, 炒大鑊. 炒大鑊 means having a big confrontation with somebody. 炒means stir fry. When you stir fry stuff, a lot of heat, a lot of hot stuff, and 炒大鑊 means I have very heated debate or heated moment with somebody else for confrontation. That means that's what the 炒大鑊 means. Okay, 炒, next one, 炒Walking. Chao Walking. Again, Chao is stir fry. Walking. What's ging? Ging means seriously. Chao means having a very serious argument. Very, very serious argument with or confrontation with somebody else. Chao Walking. Right? Next is a little bit more violence now. 打Walking. Again, earlier it was Chao Walking, right? And this time it's 打Walking. 打 means beat up. Walking, again, it means very seriously. 打Walking means I'm going to beat you up very badly, that you won't even recognize yourself afterward. So next one is 砌你十鑊八鑊. 砌 means, again, in this case, it means beat up. Beat you up, 砌你 mean beat you up. 十鑊, sub is the number 10. That means 10 times. 十鑊, 八鑊, 8 times. So the whole phrase 炒你砌你十鑊八鑊 means I'm going to beat you up very often, many times. Right. Next is 見一鑊打一鑊. Remember, 見 means see you. When I see you, 見一鑊. When I see you one time, 一 is one. When I see you one time, 打一鑊. 打 means beat you, beat up. Again, just like earlier, I said 打鑊勁 means beat you up. 打一鑊 means I will beat you one time. Every time I see you, I will beat you up. 見一鑊打一鑊. Okay, let's switch gear. Let's not be so violent. We'll be talking about next one is 大鑊飯. 大鑊飯. It means imagine a whole wok of rice. 飯 is rice. 大 means big. Wok is the wok in the kitchen, right? 大鑊飯 means a big wok of rice. When do you cook that? It means when it's time to share with everybody else, regardless what they have done, they deserve it or not. So that means you are giving, you are having the reward regardless of your contribution. When I say, oh, 我哋去食大鑊飯, 我哋食大鑊飯 means we're going to go get the reward regardless what I have done. Like in another expression for this, another scenario for this expression is prisoner in the prison. We call them 佢哋食大鑊飯. 佢哋食喺監倉食大鑊飯. They are not having a lot of contribution to the society because they're in prison. So we call them 大鑊飯. Next, we're going to talk about the mess, different seriousness of what a mess that you have made. 搞到一鑊泡. 搞到 means to make something bad. 搞 means make up something. 搞到 you have made up something bad. 搞到一鑊泡. 一鑊 means the whole wok of foam. 一鑊泡. Whole wok of foam. So this is just direct translation, but it literally just means you made such a big mess, almost like you have poured a whole wok of foam or bubble on the floor. That is so messy. 搞到一鑊泡. Or 一鑊粥. Next one is 一鑊粥. 搞到一鑊粥. Again, imagine you pour a whole wok full of rice porridge or rice soup. It's hard to clean up, right? It's sticky, it's slimy, it's hard to clean up. That's also saying it's so messy what you made. Next is 一鑊熟. 一鑊熟.熟 means fully cooked. 一鑊熟 means the whole wok of food is fully cooked. But we're really not talking about food here. We're talking about the mess that you have made. You made a whole wok full of mess that is so done that you're done. no turning back. 一鑊熟, you're so done, you're so destroyed. Right? And next is 黑過鑊屎. 黑過鑊屎. What's 黑? 黑 is the color black. 黑過 means blacker than. Blacker than. 黑過. The word 過 means more excessive. 黑過鑊屎. What is 鑊屎? 鑊屎 means the charcoal underneath the wok. After you use the wok for a long time, all this burn up charcoal, all this black stuff stay in the bottom of the wok. So those are pretty black mostly. So when they say 黑過鑊屎 means your luck is so bad that it's blacker than the charcoal underneath the wok. Direct translation. All right, 黑過鑊屎. Let's see, two more. 賴大鑊. 賴大鑊. What does it mean, 賴大鑊? It means you have gotten into such a big mess and such a disaster that is not recoverable. 賴大鑊. 賴 means lick something, lick a popsicle, lick some water, lick some liquid, whatever you are licking, right? But 大鑊 means a big mess. When you're licking the big mess, that means you're getting yourself into some big mess, or you have already gotten into some big mess. Last one. 一鑊炒起. 一鑊炒起. Again, 一鑊 means a whole wok full of something. 炒起, 炒 means stir fry. 起 means done. You finish stir frying stuff. So that means, imagine you are in the kitchen, you're using the wok to stir fry something, you're done. When you're done with the whole wok of food, you're done. But in this case, it has a negative connotation in there, saying you have been gotten into such a big mess that you're totally destroyed. You're done. So destroyed that you're done. No turning back. 一鑊炒起. Okay, together, all at once. All right, that's all the slangs about the fun Chinese cooking appliances wok can bring you today. And I hope you have enjoyed this video, and also I hope that you have learned some figurative interpretation about wok. I see you next time.